Hi guys, and welcome back to the best channel on YouTube. So how do I put this? I'm just about to reveal to you my new paintwork on my E30. It's a very nice color. I really like how it turned out, and I think a lot of people like how it turned out. So I've been to a car show with this. I've been to car meets with this. It's been painted for about, let's say, 2 months, but I haven't done a video yet. So I'm gonna post a bunch of videos that I had taken over a period of time, just piece them together and put them in a video. And yeah, so for now, the car is behind the camera and I'm gonna show it to you in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah guys, so this is the lovely E30 now. There's still things I have to do to the car. The interior has to be done. That's going to be the next thing we're going to tackle. I don't like whoever scratched my rims. I'm really angry with you for that. But yeah guys, this is how the car is looking right now. So this is a BMW color. It's an M4 color. It's called Ebon Green. And I really like how it came out. I was thinking whether to go with a two-tone color, with the lower portion with the ebon green and the top portion gloss black. So I gloss blacked, I blacked out all the things on the car, like the mirrors, the door handles, the trim, all those things. And then when we move on, take you in, you would see that the interior just has some more work to be done, as I mentioned before. So the seats, I don't know whether I would want to get them changed or swapped out or redone again. I'm gonna build a roll cage in there, gonna change the steering wheel, change the gear lever. Somebody, a nice person, gave me the center console. So let me show that to you. Yeah. So yeah, the boot holes have to be done, that you can see as well. So yeah, somebody gave this to me. But you can tell it doesn't have the controls for the windows, which I would have to eventually fix in there. So I'll do that myself in a separate video, show you how I'm gonna put it in, align everything neatly. I'm gonna say I'm proud of everybody who is building their cars right now. I see a whole lot of builds going on. Kobe, Gunter, Aben, and the lot, like Yao, all of you, I see, and I'm really happy. Everybody has different things that they are going with. I'm trying to go with a simple OEM plus look, but then like a drift build. This was not intended to be my everyday car anyway, so we'll see how that goes on. I have a couple of videos I want to add of me shooting flames and whatnot with at the car meets and car shows that I've been to, so I'm gonna put that in the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As always, we're almost at 1,000, as you can see down there with the count. Don't stop the count. So let's go. Peace.